Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another one. Sorry about the schedule change. It's just what's going to be the best. And one video a week is really going to help us make better content. So today we're making an axe handle for a little hatchet. Little hatchet handle. We're going to clean this up too. We're making it out of an oak. Piece of oak. I got this from my very own backyard. And we're going to shave it down. We're going to draw the shape that we want, and we're going to make it look super good. So this piece, I'm not sure how long this piece is, but this is going to be our main length. So let's get to drawing. Alright, so this side right here is going to be the side that's pointing forward, so you can kind of get the gist of it like this. So what I did is I came down just a few inches. I left like an inch or so above it so you can slam it down on there. But everything underneath this line should be good to go. Now, to start, we're going to draw kind of like a, this is freehand too. I'm going to come down and in a little bit, come back out, and then kind of nice little line right out, just like so. Same thing up here, but it's going to be kind of like straighter. Like so. And it's gonna have that axe handle right at the bottom. Can't really see it on camera, but I got our shape, and that's really all you gotta do. First, we gotta cut this out. You could take a jigsaw, but I'm gonna try something different. Let's go check it out. Alright, so for my idea for this, I'm just gonna take a chisel and a little saw right here. What you're gonna do, you're gonna take the little side of your Japanese saw, and you're gonna cut down right just above the line. Just above the line, just like so. You're just gonna kind of do that. Alright, so now you're going to take your hammer, or your chisel, and your hammer. What I'm going to do to make sure it's tight, I'm just going to kind of bang. We're just trying to break the pieces off. You don't even really need the hammer. Just like that. And then that's the start of your axe. And we're just gonna do it all the way up, and then all the way back up, and then down on the other side. So let's do it. Alright. Then you're just gonna get ready for the other side, and that's what you're gonna do the other side, same thing. Let's just remember the other side has the bow out, and we're ready to continue onwards. Alright, so for this next part, we're ready for some sanding. I don't really mess with up here just yet. We're gonna get there in a sec. This is what you should be about with. It's a good handle. But you're just gonna sand it all down, make it nice and smooth now. So let's get to it. Alright, so we're not 100% done sanding, and this is okay. But we're gonna seat the axe, or the axe head. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in a clamp, and we're going to kind of trace the inside out. Let's go do that. Alright, so here, make sure you got the right side forward. I'm just gonna take it. And so for now, we just kind of gotta get the edges, and then we're gonna go cut that. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I started to seat this, but as you can see, it is not narrow enough to get down to back here. This front piece was supposed to be out a little bit, kind of like this back piece right here. But that broke off, but that is all okay. That's gonna work out in the end. So we're gonna go shave down. We're gonna go shave down this piece right here. Alright, so I got it nice and seated right there. It's not completely on yet, we can still take this off. But we're gonna finish sanding completely. I'm gonna burn this one. I love burning everything. And then we're gonna cut our notch in the top here. Then we're ready to fully seat it. So let's go finish up some sanding. Once you have it all etched out, maybe you start sanding. Now you're not going to take too much off. This is super high grit. You want to get that top layer of tar off. Kind of like that. And you're just gonna sand it just like that, and then we're gonna put some a little bit of a sealer on it. Yeah, I'll show you guys in a sec. All right, so I got a line up here, and we're just gonna cut with a little Japanese saw on the small tooth side, right down there. I'm gonna put the camera down, and I'll show you in a sec. And that's what you're kind of looking for right there. And we're just gonna put our wedge right down the center of that. So let's go put our axe head on. Hey guys, sorry, sort of a different ending. I might have cut out at the end. If you guys enjoyed this video of making a nice little handle for an axe, leave a like down below and subscribe if you like that. Not a bad idea. And also, one thing is to keep an eye on the community page. Certainly, that's one of the main things. I post general updates there, like when I change my updating schedule, so just keep an eye up there and leave a comment down below or anything else I should build. And with all that, sorry about the dead battery, but we're back in business. See you in the next one next week. See you soon, guys.